Well, by looking at this, you guys probably know what we're doing. We're doing a Spider-Man fishing challenge. It's just a little pull, and we're gonna do an hour section of catfishing and then an hour section of bass, and we're gonna see should we do the most fish or what?
I'd probably say biggest, because like it's gonna be tough to land one on that rod.
So biggest. All right. So we're gonna do biggest for each one, and it's gonna be a fun fight with this little thing. It's a $10 Shakespeare Spider-Man rod, and we'll see what happens. We actually spent about like an hour and a half disassembling this thing and taking the line that was in there out. We ended up putting braid in there.
20-pound braid.
Yeah, 20-pound braid, because the line before that was only like 8-pound test, and the line they put in there is super shitty. So we're gonna go with this, and it was a mess taking it apart. But we finally got it an hour and a half later, and we're gonna be off going to a pond where we know that has catfish. They have bass, but not the biggest. Hopefully we'll catch them. First cast with the Spider-Man rod. Hopefully the hot dog doesn't fly off. I can do better. I can do better. I just don't want the hot dog to fly off. It like stopped mid-cast. What is this? I spent $10 on this. I should expect more from this.
Time for my first cast.
Let's see if your cast can do any better. See how far you go.
Oh, that's okay.
That's like,
I'll take that.
that's prime catfish spot right there. I add some of these to make it a little bit heavier, because right now it's too light. I'm on. What is this? It's a bluegill.
Wait, you're on. What is it? Oh my gosh. You got one.
It's a bass.
It's a bass. You need the net?
No.
You got a bass. Oh no way, don't lose it.
Bro, I wasn't even starting to record yet. Well, about an hour later, got one on the Barbie rod, or the Spider-Man rod. Just a small little bass. I was reeling it in. I was reeling my catfish line in, and all of a sudden I just get bit. I was so confused. Have a catfish?
Yeah, my rod went like way to the left and pulled. That was such a fish. No.
You might have needed to wait a little bit.
No, because I let go. Just had a fish. That might have been a catfish too. So, I mean, it pulled it way off.
There. Watch me hook up like right away.
Really?
Oh, oh.
No way.
You see it?
Yeah, that's a fish, dude. I think it is. Oh yeah, yep. Yep.
No! Wait! I'm on him.
You still got him. What does it feel like? Is it big?
No. I'm horsing him. I think it's a bluegill.
Now he's kind of running. Oh,
Yeah.
it's a giant bluegill. That's an eater.
There's a little bluegill right there.
Huge, but I mean, hold it up. It's pretty good size.
He's moving.
Oh! Oh! Oh, I still got him. I got him.
Oh, it's a bass.
Oh my gosh. The drag's actually going. Hopefully you didn't swallow the hook. Nope.
I guess we're tied 1-1.
On the board, baby. Let's go. Spider-Man pole getting it done. I thought we'd be catching like catfish, but
Yeah, we're catching all these bass now.
we're on.
Not counting bluegills.
So, should we just count numbers, bass and catfish?
Yeah. Yep.
Got him? Catfish?
Damn it. I think it's just damn bluegill.
I know, we've had a lot of bluegills. That's the kind of hook set you need.
Oh,
though.
he's on.
Oh, you got it?
Oh. What?
He's running. It's another bluegill, isn't it? There's so many good size ones. Dude, all of them have been like that big.
I mean, he was running right at me the whole time. That's why. Another bluegill.
You were there.
That wasn't too shabby. I'm on. Big. Big. This is it.
Oh my gosh, it's going. Oh my gosh. Where's the camera?
It's in my bag.
I got it. Grab the net. What's your password? It's a giant.
Reel the line in.
Reel that one in. How do you use this net? Is it work? Is it?
He's running right at me.
Alright guys, maybe I'll just got hooked up on a cap.
Other way. Camera. He's coming right. Jack.
Just got hooked up on a cap. Dude, you gotta chill on the Spider-Man pole. Oh, it's the oh my gosh. You hear that drag? I'm glad we got the brake. Grab the net. It's like an 8-pounder.
No, get the net.
Here, come film. Just come film.
Oh, I got it.
Oh, he's got Miguel's got a big one. On the Spider-Man pole. Oh my gosh. The pole's...
Oh, your line.
What, Jack? Did you reel it in? Jack, you didn't reel
It's fine. It's fine. Get the... Jack, get ready.
It's a good one.
You're tangling it around all the...
Fuck. Oh, he's coming. Fuck.
Literally just power it up. Just walk backwards. Get it closer to land. I'm tired of walking. Oh my god.
Oh! That was like a...
Was that a different bag?
That was like a 2-pounder.
That was a different bag. That was a good bag. What the heck? Wait, do I have one on mine? No, you're still
Oh! What the hell is happening? There's 2 fish on.
Wait, no way.
Miguel, grab your pole.
Wait, you got mine? You have 2 fish
Hey,
on.
ready?
Wait, where?
You have 2 fish on.
There's a giant catfish. Oh! Oh my gosh, it's a big one.
Whoa,
You saw 2 fish on.
there was a bass.
There was a huge
bass
right there. It was like a 2.5 pounder.
I think it's
7,
pregnant.
6.
7.
Film that. It's like 7.5 pounds.
On the Barbie rod, or the Spider-Man.
That was an insane fight.
Just got this 7.5 pounder on my Spider-Man rod. You can see there. And it was about a 3-minute fight. And right when he got up to here, there was another like 2.5 pound bass. It was a big bass. It was like chasing him around or something there. But I'm gonna put him back now. He's been out of the water for a little bit. So
Is that your biggest one?
I think so. Yeah, this might be my PB catfish. Come over ride him real quick. Just wait till he's ready.
And
There he
there he
goes.
goes.
Last cast for the night. See if I get one there. That's gonna wrap up the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I won on a total of 3-2. My 1 catfish and 1 bass. We counted the catfish as 2 points just because it was harder to catch. And he caught his 2 bass, so I won 3-2 there. If you guys like this video, just leave a comment down below and we'll do something similar, like going on his boat maybe and like bass fishing with it on a bass lake or something like that. The rod was only $10, so it held up pretty good. I mean, the catfish fought. If I didn't have that braid on it, I think it would have broke off, but we changed and put 20-pound braid on it just in case, to extra support for the rod, just because it's a small little kid's rod. Hope you guys enjoyed and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.